Hello, everyone. Good day to you all. My name is Yui. I'm learning Antenna Certified Basic Network or ACBN. So now I will perform case study 2. This is the next part is the study 1. So let's see the requirement for the case study 2. Okay, we use the same system as case study 1. So now we will install the printer on the machine 8, perform the printer sharing and connect machine B and C to machine 8. Create a share folder on machine 8 and share with machine B and C on the same network and map share drive on machine B and C. All right, let's go. Okay, now I will come back to the machine to the system. So as you can see here, now I will go to the machine A. It's on the left, uh, and share the printer. I already have a printer in here. This is not the real one. This is the PDF printer. So now I will go to the setting, printer and scanner. So I will choose my printer in here. Go to the config, sharing, share and choose here, share this printer, set the name, and then hit apply and OK. All right. Next is enable an account. So in here, I remember I have enabled it. Enabled it. Go to management. Go to the local user and choose the user in here. Okay. So I already enabled the guest account for this testing. Okay. So now I will set the password. Proceed. Type some. Okay. Okay. Now go to. Let's go to the guest machine, the client machine. Go to the control panel. Uh, Launch icon. Uh, Choose credential and go to the Windows credential. Okay, so this is the old one, so I will remove it. Okay, so I will add a new one. So I will type the IP of the server, 192.168.110.1.8. Okay, type guest, put the password. Okay, uh, the same as the here. So I will choose. If I don't want to remove, I want to correct the password. This is the assembly information, so I will update the password. Right. So now I will go uh, connect the printer, go to the setting, Bluetooth and device, choose scanner, choose printer and scanner. Okay, so I will remove this. Okay, let me add it again. Okay, add it manually and choose the second option. Select the share printer by name. Uh, okay, exactly same password. Okay, it's already show the name, but I want to type it. Server. Next. Okay, good. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's open again. I believe the printer has been added. Oh, it's not showing. Let me add it again. Mm-hmm. Printing. Okay, finished. Okay, so I have added the printer. Okay, the same like this, the same with this. So I will add it again. Bluetooth device, printer and scanner. Remove this. Add it again. Okay, so type in here the same name. Okay, hit the test. Finish. Okay, so now two printer has been added to the client or client B and C. Okay, so next is create a share folder. So I will create new folder, name share here. So now I will share property. Oh no, sorry, wrong place. Property sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder. I just limit the number of share folder is to 20. Apply. Okay. Go to the permission. Go to the security tab. Choose edit and add the guest account just for testing. Okay. Check the name. Okay. Okay. Just have the read account. Read on only. Okay. Rest. Okay. Close. Right. Now with the same credential that I just set up, I just need to connect. Let me put one file in here, just like let's see, put any file here. Just put this. Okay. All right. So let's see how it's going. There is two method to map the drive. First is run. Okay, run. Type the try the part. Hit share. Here you can see here we have the share account. Right. The second is here. Go to the this PC, map drive, map network drive, type the IP, then mm-hmm, share and press OK. Okay, so the same way, two way to connect. All right. And this drive will be shown in this PC. Yeah. Okay. So that's how we go through the case study two. So we have installed the printer, we have performed printer sharing, we have created a share folder, and also the map the share drive to two machine B and C. Okay. Thank you for joining with me. I will see you in the next one.